Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can free your memory space without getting to delete your information, your images, your folders. You have deleted everything, yet it is still showing you account storage is full. Your Gmail is showing red, your photos is showing red, even after deleting everything. I'm going to show you how you can clear your memory space without losing your information. Your images will be intact, your files, your folders, wherever you save your information will be intact. I will help you free up your space so that you can go ahead and snap that picture that you want to snap. You can go ahead and save your information. So stay with me, follow step by step. I will encourage you having a pen and a jotter so that you jot it down, or you watch and practice immediately. As you watch, go and do it, so that before the end of this video you might have freed up your space. If it is showing like this, it's giving you issues, you cannot back up your photos, you cannot do anything anymore, I will help you. Please don't buy space, just follow this tutorial, and at the end you will be able to free up space without payment, without losing your folder. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Let's go. So from here, this is my Gmail account. All right, so once you are here, what you need to do is to click on this place. Please pay attention so you won't miss the steps. Click on this place. If you don't have your image here, you will see your first name. If your name is Mary, you will see M in this place. So you go ahead and click on that place. When you click, it will open like this. I had to put my phone in landscape so I'll be able to record the screen for you people to see clearly. So once you are in this place, go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Click on it and wait for it to load. Yes, this is the interface you will see next. Once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to scroll until you see data and privacy. This is data and privacy. Once you are here, go ahead and click on data and privacy. Once you click on it, it will pop up like this. So you scroll under data and privacy, scroll down until you see this place, until you are here, then you stop scrolling. Go ahead and click on that place, click under that manage your content saved from Google services. Click on it. When you click, allow it to load. As you can see, it is loading. Yes, it has taken us to this interface. From here, you scroll down till you see photos. Scroll till you see photos. All right, so once you are here, you click under that photos. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, you wait for it to load. All right, yes, we are here now. So once your own opened like this, you will start seeing some of your old and new images that is making your phone to get full. These are some of my own, the old images. This one is more than 3 years, it's more than even 5 years. All right, so these are the images that are occupying this space. Now, how do we, made it such a way that we don't delete them, but then we have our space freed? What you need to do is you come over to this place. Let me show you so you don't miss the steps. Come over to this place, these three dots, and click on it. When you click on it, it will open like this. You click on desktop site. Tick it, click to tick it. Once you tick it, it will make your phone to look as if you are using laptop to do this thing. All right, make sure you turn on your desktop mode at this point. After you turn on your desktop mode, you scroll down. Where you are to scroll down is this left side. Scroll down till you see this storage, this place. Let me show you. Scroll till you see here storage. Once you put it on desktop side, you can use your hand and zoom your left phone, the down part. You see storage. When you see storage, you click on it and allow it to load. Once it is showing you like this, what you need to do right now, you scroll to where you see convert existing photos and video to storage server. Let me say that again. Once you scroll, stop at this place, stop here. All right, now what you need to do, you click on this learn more. Click on the learn more. When you click on the learn more, you allowed it to open. Once it open, it will show compress existing photos. Compress existing photos and video, as you are seeing on my own. So what you need to do is to click on this I understand. Tick on it. Once you tick on I understand, you go ahead and do what? Compress existing photos and video. What this does is this. Like I said, it will not delete your information, your images, your video. Rather, when you click on this compress existing photos and video, it will shrink, like it will bring them together so that you will create space, enough space for your photos and every other thing. So go ahead and click on compress existing photos. When you click on it, you will see it showing compressing. This may take several hours. What you need to do at this point is just, you can go and do whatever you want to do. Later, come back and check. You will see that the red space that you were having will be no more. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and share this video so that others who are having this type of issue will get it resolved. Thank you and bye-bye.